Michael Edwards, one of the lecturers here at East Sussex College in Eastbourne for Brickwork. So at the moment there's two levels, an apprenticeship. So for level 1, you go in, starting with very basic brickwork, then we progress onto blockwork, and then we put them both together. At the end of the year, we do cavities between the blockwork and brickwork together, which makes almost traditional housing. Moving in then to the second year, where we go into more solid walls, and there'll be practical and theory assessments, classroom based and workshop based, that we work through over the year to come out with a level 2 diploma. So in the first year, you've got 5 units, one that's brickwork, one that's blockwork, one that's setting out, and then cavities at the end. Within each of those units, you then have a theory element, which has got an end test to it, which is classroom based. That then takes you into the second year, where there's 5 assessments, which just go up a little level or two, makes it a little bit more complex, which is more for solid walling, also setting out, and a thin joint element, which is quite niche actually to brickwork, which we work through, where we have an external person come in that will do a demo, and then the assessment will take place throughout that, following with the setting out, and then further cavity work, so you introduce windows and frames, PVC, all them sorts of things that go into the basic traditional cavity unit. So the student comes in, level 1, they can then gain the basic hand skills, ensure that they actually like the course and the qualification that they're doing. That can then lead into a possible apprenticeship. It could lead then into full-time work within the construction industry, specifically a bricklayer. It can also lead into property maintenance, where a few students over the years have gone into buying and selling houses, for example, just because they've got a brickwork qualification. Just through general building, they pick up a good awareness of a lot of construction and going to renovating houses, for example, or just being a bricklayer, or going on to maybe, dependent on the level of English and maths, going on to being into surveying, and that sort of area. There's quite a few avenues that you can go off. And that sort of field also attracts others that come in from the surveying elements to have a trade background within it as well. Lots of avenues. Over the last 4 years, we've taken ladies in every year. It seems to be growing as well, the amount of ladies that want to do the course and actually succeed in the course from level 1 into level 2. And we've even had a young lady that actually become an apprentice as well from a full-time course in brickwork. We had a couple of lads which are up on the wall there, Anton and Louis, who went to the selection process for World Skills, which was in Brazil, and they made the last 4, if I remember rightly. Louis was deselected, Anton was deselected, and Louis pulled out himself. Unfortunately, he's done quite a good job here at the college, and he ended up becoming a foreman at the company he was working for, and couldn't do both. But I believe that Louis possibly could have represented Great Britain at World Skills that year. The students should study here because we have a good range of facilities, 2 big, bright, airy workshops, a lot of space, a lot of resources within them. We've been renowned for lots of competition entries, winners and progression over the years. We're renowned for pushing learners with good ability further and bringing the lads and the ladies that are nurturing that ability, bringing them up as well, pushing them further and further. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and I look forward to seeing you soon.